नमस्सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य प्रौढमनोरमायाः संज्ञाप्रकरणे चतुर्थः पाठः। येनाक्षरसमां न्यायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। ध्यायन् ध्यायं परं ब्रह्म स्मारं स्मारं गुरोर्गिरः सिद्धान्तकौमुदी व्याख्यां कुर्मः प्रौढमनोरमाम्। Adye samasasya klishtatvat. So the adya in this case is the first kashikakara. Dikshita takes kashika first. He says halit ekadeshasya eva tantravritti ekasheshanyatam vastu hasya l iti vyakhyasate. Hasya l iti prathamaha pakshaha tatra samasasya klishtatvat. So hasya l iti samasaha na sambhavati. Samasaha sambhavati kintu hasya l iti samasena ह समीपः ल हकारस्य समीपः लकारः इत्यर्थ बोधाभावः इत्यर्थः न स्फुरति. So he says by the term hasya l we will not get the meaning of ह समीपः लकारः. नहि ब्राह्मण कम्बलः इत्यादौ ब्राह्मण समीपवर्ती अन्यदीयः कम्बलः प्रतीयते. ब्राह्मणस्य कम्बलः ब्राह्मण कम्बलः इत्यस्ति. The blanket of the Brahmin, Brahmanasya Kambalaha. Kaharthaha Brahmana Kambalaha ityadau Brahmana Samipavarti Anyadiyaha Kambalaha Nahi Pratiyate. If somebody says Brahmanasya Kambalaha or Brahmana Kambalaha, we say that the blanket belongs to the Brahmin. So by hearing that, we do not say that it is a blanket which is lying close to the Brahmin, but belongs to somebody else. Okay, so there is a Brahmin and there is a blanket close to him. That blanket will be called Brahmana Kambala, will be referred to as Brahmana Kambala only if it belongs to the Brahmin, not if it is close to him and belongs to somebody else. Tadrishaha prayogaha na drishyate. So such usage is not seen, where Shashti is used to indicate closeness and not belonging. Okay. So Shashtyaha bahavaha arthaha santi. Ekashatam Shashthyarthaha ityeva bhashye asti. There are 100 meanings for Shashti Vibhakti. But the Samipya is not one of the meanings which is conveyed by Shashti Vibhakti. Nava Chitragu Shabdat Chitragavinam Samipavarti Vrukshadihi Pratiyate. Chitraguhu iti Shabdaha asti. Chitraha Gavaha Yasya Saha. Shashtyartha Bahuvrihi. Chitraha is multicolored. So Chitraha Gavaha Yasya Saha. He who possesses multicolored cows. Chitraguhu. Kaha arthaha Chitragavinam Swami. It refers to a person who owns multicolored cows. Okay. So now, if the Samipya can also be conveyed by Shashti, Chitraha Gavaha Yasya iti Shashtya. So Yasya Samipe Chitraha Gavaha Santi. Kashchana Vrikshaha asti. Vrikshasya Samipe Chitraha Gavaha Tishtanti. Ataha Saha Vrikshaha Chitraguhu. Chitraha Gavaha Yasya Samipe Saha nama Vrikshaha. Ityarthaha bhavati va. It is na bhavati. So when somebody says Chitragu, we interpret it as we know it that it is the Swami, the owner of colored cows and not something which lies close to colored cows. Nava Chitragu Shabdat Chitragavinam Samipavarti Vrukshadihi Pratiyate. So we cannot, that is not conveyed by the Shabda. The Shabda does not have the Samarthya. Each Shabda will have an inherent Samarthya to convey meaning. So idrisham Samarthyam nasti Shashtyaha. Samipyarthaha Shashtya na pratiyate. So he says that and he gives a pramana from the Mahabhashya. Atayeva anantaradishu na samasaha anabhidanat iti spashtam akare. So akara always refers to Bhashya and also Kayyata. Okay, Bhashya Kayyata yoho akaram iti uchyate. Generally it is the Bhashya. So he says, Anantaradishu na samasaha. Kaha prasangaha. Matup sutram asti. Tadasyastasmin iti matup. Okay, so Dhanam asya asti iti dhanavan iti matup vidhayakam sutram. So tatra Bhashye Chitraha Gavaha asya anantaraha santi ityarthe bhavati va. So the question he raises there is Chitraha Gavaha asya anantaraha santi. Anantara. Antara is a space. So anantaraha. That is they are close. Anantara shabdasya samipam or ityeva arthaha. Okay. Halaha anantaraha sanyogaha. So two hulls which come together. So chitraha gavaha asya anantaraha santi. So anantara is next to. Ityarthe bahuvrihi bhavati va matu pratyayah bhavati va iti prashnaha. Okay. So Bhashyakara takes up the question and he says na bhavataha bahuvrihi matvarthiyau na bhavataha. So there will not be bahuvrihi or matup. Both of them are in the shashtyartha. So anantaryam na shashtyarthaha iti bhashyat pratiyate. Chitraha gavaha asya anantaras santi ityarthe bahuvrihi matvarthiyau na bhavataha. Why not anabhidhanat? Its usage is not seen. I mean, there is no prayoga where the word chitragu is used to mean something which is lying next to chitragus. It means always the owner of colored cows, and it does not mean something which is lying next to colored cows. Tadrishaha prayogaha nasti. Ataha na bhavati bahuvrihirva matvarthiyah va iti bhashye uchyate. Kim bahuna? It is not just that there is no samasa or matup. Brahmanasya kambalaha chitraha gavaha asya iti vyasta prayogopi tatra anishtaha. Even if you split the words, I mean, the samasa or matup will not happen. But even if you split brahmanasya kambalaha iti vyasta prayogepi brahmanasya samipavarti kambalaha ityarthaha na pratiyate. We will not get the meaning that the blanket is close to the Brahmin. We always we know it as the kambala belonging to the Brahmin, not the kambala which is lying close to the Brahmin. Yeah? So vyasta prayogopi tatra anishtaha. So vigraha vakyepi shashtha anantaryadayaha arthaha na pratiyante. So this anantara that is lying next to or close to ityadayaha arthaha na pratiyante. Ataha kim hasya l iti samasaha klishtaha. So the interpretation of Kashika will not work because hasya l cannot mean a lakara which is close to hakara. It means a lakara which belongs to a hakara. But there is no lakara which belongs to hakara. Okay. So it is just lying next to it. Therefore, the samasa cannot be interpreted properly, is what Dikshita says. So, anena. So what does Kashikakara actually say? He says, hasya l hal iti dvitiyam atra hal grahanam tantrena upattam drashtavyam. So this is paraphrase from the Kashika. This is what the Kashikakara says. He says, hasya l hal. So he himself is giving that samasa. Hasya l hal iti dvitiyam atra hal grahanam tantrena upattam drashtavyam. Tena pratyahara pathe hal ityatra lakarasya itsamya kriyate. Tatha cha sati halantyam ityatra pratyahare na itareta shrayadosho bhavati. Iti Kashikakaraha vadati. Hasya l ityukte kim iti hasamipaha lakaraha iti tasya vyakhyanam karoti Vitalaha. The Vitala is a commentator on the Kashika. So he interprets hasya l as hasamipaha lakaraha. Okay. So Vitalasya cha matam nirakritam. Both of these interpretations, the samasa itself, hasya l iti samasaha, tasya samipyam ityarthaha ubhayam api dikshitaihi nirakritam. So he says that both those are not plausible. Therefore, we cannot accept what the Kashikakara says. Dvitiyepi, dvitiye mate, arthat, halcha lucha iti samaharadvandvaha lakarasya sanyogantalopaha iti chet, dvitiyepi sanyogantalopaha durlabhaha. Sanyogantasya lopaha iti na pravartate. Kimartham yanah pratishedharambhat. Yanah pratishedho vachyaha iti vartikam asti sanyogantasya lopaha iti sutre. So yan yadi sanyogante yan varnaha santi tarhi lopaha na bhavati ityarthaha. Yanah pratishedharambhat. Lakaraha yan varnaha ataha sanyogantasya lopaha na bhavati. Yadi sanyogantasya lopaha na bhavati tarhi dvitiyaha lakaraha shruyeta. We should hear the second lakara. There is no means to delete it. Therefore, we cannot accept that interpretation. Tat pratyakhyana pakshepi. But that vartika, yas pratishedho vachyaha iti vartikam, bhashyakarena pratyakhyatam. He has rejected the vartika as unnecessary. So, tat pratyakhyana pakshepi, jhalo jhali ityataha jhalgrahanam apakrishya sanyogantasya jhalaha lopavidhanat. So Bhashyakara does not accept this Vartika, but he says Jhalo Jhali. Iti Agrimam Sutram. It lays after Sanyogantasya Lopaha. Sanyogantasya Lopaha is 23, whereas Jhalo Jhali is 26. Ityataha Jhal Grahanam Apakrishya. Anuvritti is taking words from the previous sutra, whereas Apakarsha is taking words from next, not immediately next, coming sutras. Okay, so it is similar to Anuvritti. So Apakarsha, he says the word Jhal is taken from Jhalo Jhali, and he says Sanyogantasya Jhalaha Lopa Vidhanat. So a Jhal letter at the end of a Sanyoga will be deleted and not any other letter. Okay, so Jhal is from Jhabhai till Hal. Okay. So tatrapi lakaraha nasti. So lakarasya lopaha na shakyate. So he says Sanyoganta lopaha durlabhaha. So either because of the Vartika or because of the Apakarsha of Jhal. So in either case lakara cannot be deleted. That is the first objection for Kayyatamata. And he has a second objection. Kincha padartha bodham vina vakyartha bodha asambhavena. हल प्रत्याहार सिद्धेः प्राक् एतत् सूत्रार्थ अबोधे प्रसक्ते तदुद्धारार्थोऽयं यत्नः. It says we can do sanyoga hal cha lu cha. Okay, hal cha lu cha antyam it bhavati iti asti. Vakyarthah katham yatavyah. So there are different, in understanding the meaning of any sentence, there are different steps. Okay, first you have to know the meaning of words, and then you have to understand what the entire sentence means. Okay, the padartha and vakyartha are different. So there is meaning for each word. The meaning conveyed by the vakya is not exactly the meaning conveyed by the words. It is different and it is more. So in any process, in any shabda bodha, in understanding something, we first understand what are the different words, then we understand what the sentence means. Okay. Now, padartha bodham vina vakyartha bodha asambhavena. Without understanding each word, we cannot understand the entire sentence. Okay. Idanim kimasti samasaha krataha hal cha lu cha antyam it bhavati. Tatra yadi sarvani padani jnatani tadaiva vakyarthaha sambhavati. Then only we can understand the sutra. But now we don't know what is the hal padartha. Right? Hal cha lu cha antyam bhavati ityasti. Hal ityukte kim? Hal padarthasya jnanam nasti. अतः हल प्रत्याहार सिद्धेः प्राक् एतत् सूत्रार्थ अबोधे प्रसक्ते. We cannot understand the sutra itself. In both, this actually applies to both Kashika and Kayyatamata. Says the problem is that we cannot understand the sutra because there is one unknown word. Okay, one word there which is we don't know what is hal. As in, we don't know that hal is vyanjana. Okay. So if you don't know what is hal, we cannot interpret the sutra. Sutrartha abodhaha prasaktaha. So because one of the words is not known, we cannot understand the sutra at all. The complete meaning of the sutra will not be clear. Padartha bodham vina vakyartha bodha asambhavena hal pratyahara siddhehe prak etat sutrartha abodhe prasakte taduddhararthaha ayam yatnaha. So the attempt which we are making is to resolve that problem. That is, if we don't know hal, we cannot understand the sutra. Asyam cha avasthayam, at this stage, that is when we don't know what is hal, hal shabdartha aprasiddhau. If we don't know what is hal, dvandvaha eva durlabhaha. We cannot do samahara dvandva. Hal cha lu cha. Yadi ubhau shabdau jnayate, ubhau padarthau. So if we know both Rama and Lakshmana, then we can do Rama Lakshmanau gacchataha. Why? Saha vivaksha. Dvandvasya kaha arthaha? Saha vivaksha. When you know two things, you want to bring them together. That is dvandva. Ramaha gacchati, Lakshmanaha gacchati. Militva arthat saha gacchataha ityarthe Rama Lakshmanau gacchataha iti prayogaha. Okay. So there is saha vivaksha. For that saha vivaksha, to indicate togetherness, we use dvandva. So if you have to indicate togetherness, you have to know the two things separately. Ubhau padarthau, ubhayoho padarthayoho jnanam apekshate. Yadi hal padarthasya jnanam nasti, tarhi dvandvaha kartum na shakyate. Hal cha lu cha. Lu ityukte lakaraha iti jnayate. Hal ityukte kim iti na jnayate. Tatha sati saha vivaksha na sambhavati. Saha vivakshayaha asambhavat dvandva eva durlabhaha. So first objection is, if you do dvandva, you cannot delete the lakara, but you cannot do the dvandva itself, because at this stage, since there is no padartha jnana, since we don't know hal padartha, we cannot do dvandva. Anena kayyatoktaha samahara dvandva pakshaha dushitaha. So the paksha of kayyata can also not be accepted, is what Dikshitar says. That is why he offers the third thing, tasmad yathoktameva nyayam. Nyayad anapetam nyayam. It is logical what Dikshitar has said, which is what? Halantyam iti sutravrittihi ityeva nyayam iti Dikshitaha swapaksham sthapayati. He states that his paksha is, he supports his paksha. So to conclude, any questions at this stage? Okay, so to conclude, pakshatrayam sambhavati. Hal padasya avrittihi tantrena va ekasheshena va avritya va iti prathamaha pakshaha. Arthat kashika pakshaha hal padasya avrittihi. Avrittasya hal padarthasya kaha arthaha? Chete hasya l iti samasaha. Hasya l iti samasena tu hasamīpaha lakaraha iti va hakaranantaraha lakaraha iti va arthaha na bodhyate. So this is what Dikshitar says. Fine, we can repeat the word hal, but what does that mean? Hasya l iti samasaha, kintu samasasya kaha arthaha? Hasamīpaha lakaraha ityarthaha api na sambhavati. Hakarasya anantaraha lakaraha, the lakara which is next to hakara, ityarthaha api na sambhavati. Arthaha na bodhyate. Ataha ayam pakshaha dushtaha. Dvitiyaha pakshaha hal l, hal cha l cha iti samahara dvandvaha kriyate iti kayyatasya pakshaha. Tatra kaha doshaha? Samase krute dvitiya lakarasya api shravanam syat. We should hear the second lakara. Why? Sanyoganthalopasya apravrittehe. Sanyogantalopa will not apply to lakara. Iti ekaha doshaha. Hal padartha jnana bhave dvandvaha na sambhavati. We cannot do dvandva samasa if we don't know what is hal. Iti dvitiyaha doshaha. Ataha dvitiyaha pakshaha api na yujyate. Tarhi kaha upayaha anyonyashraya dosha nivaranartham sampurna sutrasya avrittihi. Halantyam iti purnam sutrameva avrittate. Ayameva siddhanta pakshaha. Dikshitamate siddhantaha. Prathamavaram hali antyam arthathava hal sutrasya antyam lakaraha itsamyakah bhavati ityarthaha. Tataha pratyahare jnate upadeshe antyam vyanjanam it bhavati ityarthaha. Tatra kaha samasaha? Halantyam ityatra kaha samasaha? Hali antyam iti va halaha antyam iti va. Hali antyam, hal iti sutre antyam iti kaha katham samasaha? Tatraiva kleshaha. Tatra dikshitanam api kleshaha asti. Hali antyam iti samase katham samasaha? Saptami iti yoga vibhagat karaniyaha athava sahasupa supsupa samasaha karaniyaha. Both of those are not very preferred means. Tathapi halahantyam iti tu shakyate. So somehow you can still get the samasa. Halahantyam iti shashti samasastu nirbadhaha. We can always have it. So halaha antyam nama hal sutrasya antyam lakaraha itsamyaha bhavati iti prathamavaram arthaha. Ditiyavaram tu hal ityasya pratyaharaha arthaha. So this is what Dikshitar puts forth as his siddhanta.